Using my headphones like a hairband. What's up, Toby Portner? We consolidate until monthly close. Yeah, we could. Looks a bit dumpy now, though. We'll get in. I actually want to check the charts real quick. What's up, White Wolf? My man. So, let's get into them. This is what we're looking at on BTC. Oh, wow. Where's the knife catch here, huh? Didn't even sweep that low. LDO, retracing, XRP retracing. Yeah, no knife catchy until we sweep this at the very minimum. And even then, that looks heavy. I mean, there's a lot. See, the thing is, right? There's so much liquidity that price could go for here. I would feel way safer if we swept. Well, at that point, it's a pretty deep sweep. But if we swept another 1,000 points, if we swept to 26.5, put some bullish market structure in here. That's when I start feeling comfy longing. That's a long to me. But longing here just feels like, yeah. What are you doing, mate? Just diddling in the middle. Because for me, I don't have a bias here. We could do this, of course we could. Or we could do this. Of course we could. I think both of those are equally likely to me. I don't have a strong feeling either way. You wouldn't long here, Cezirja? I agree. OTE, like essentially when you're looking to get involved on a continuation, like when you get a dump like this and you get a low momentum retrace, let's say you have a big imbalance here. We didn't really have a big imbalance here. Kind of, there was an imbalance there. You want that imbalance to be at the OTE, and that's where you want to play off. What I don't like playing off is anything deeper than, like, say around 85%, 85, 90% of a retrace, because at that point I'm looking for the sweep. At that point I think the liquidity target, of course it all depends on the asset and the circumstance. Oh wait, why do I have this? Let's get rid of this. All depends on the circumstance and the asset, etc. But yeah, if it retraces deeper, like for XRP here, it actually tagged, like this is a 95% retrace. It actually tagged that perfectly. So at that point, if it tags a 95% and just kind of chills, like this is chilling around 85, 90% of a retrace, yeah, that's not a short I want to take, because I think the immediate liquidity objective at that level is a sweep, right? So that's why I would never short here. Of course you could get away with it. But it's just not a short that I'd be interested in taking. Oh wow, that's such a strong buyback. Absolute shithousery. Post NY Open. Wow, LTC Chad, man. Is that all one in one 10-minute candle? 2.5% pump. My pair, what is the source of it? Oh, sorry, it's Binance Perps. This is Binance Perps. I do all of my charting on Binance Perps normally, within reason. Unless there's a very specific reason for me not to. So I guess this is going to sweep the high. Set an alert here. BC's come back down now, though. Yeah, I don't know, man. It's like we have this higher time frame consolidation, we have this lower time frame consolidation. I think at the very least, I mean, yeah, at the very least, we gotta wait for some kind of run. Some kind of run on the highs, some kind of run on the lows. This is the same that Mask has one of these as well. Ken's looking at... Technically we swept that, but I actually appreciate that that's not a good sweep. Looks like Ken actually is looking at Phantom. Phantom's one of those ones that I have historically good, a good record with, on stream at least. Yeah, I don't know. Actually, it doesn't look bad. Oh, what was this? I had a phantom setup from stream. When you see this structure, it's like, whoops. When you see this, I think this is typically quite good. What's this called? Bull pennant, bullish, descending channel, something something. LDO is the one we want to short. Ape, I tell you what, I'll tell you right now, I love the setup. I'm not ever shorting Ape though. I'm never shorting Ape again because I always feel like such a dumbass when I get destroyed. Which has happened pretty regularly, I would say. I feel like I'm getting lost in the M1 here. Can we zoom out a bit? That's the setup I want pretty much, right? This 3-or short, that's pretty much what I want. I want to target these equal lows. I want to target these lows. Okay? I've seen this shit happen so many times. Price bounces, a shitcoin bounces just before tagging a low. And it almost doesn't matter what price action it puts in here. If BTC takes a little tumble, this will drop. This will drop 10%. BTC drops 3%, this will drop 10. That's that's what I'm hoping. So I don't mind. I'm not going crazy trying to get a absolute sniper entry here. I just want to get involved. I'll get involved anywhere I'm given a chance to. It's like ETH. I rarely short ETH anymore, and it's because like I think like 4 or 5 really good short setups I had on ETH just like got blown out. It wasn't like I got wicked out and then it went in my direction. These were like trades that I got absolutely destroyed on. And Ape's the same. I feel like I have never had a good short on Ape, so I don't know. I'll long it. I don't think I'll short it though. I feel like when I'm thinking short, that's one of the few instances where I'm very happy to counter trade myself. Ooh, LTC reacted from that M15 FVG. Kind of like that, not gonna lie. Because it's in, it's also in the, discount for that price leg, right? Yeah, I like that. If this pumps from here, I think it'd be pretty clean. Well done, Latest Explorer, for taking that LDO short. Yeah, just hard to predict a dump like that with such strength. Something like that, also a possibility. Dixie is leading the market. Yeah, someone said that in Discord just now, so we'll flick over. Dixie bouncing. Dixie looks like it's doing this thing. Dixie bouncing, BTC bouncing. LDO retracing. I feel like these type of FUD events, they always retrace like super quickly. You only put 20 USDT in it. I don't think BNB might not get the low. We'll see. This doesn't look like BTC doesn't look like it goes lower now. I think that's it. I think the local low is in. The daily low is in. No entry on LDO. Why did you close? It looked dodgy to me. I don't know. It is completely free. Feel free to check it out and let me know what you think. Do I use OT fib just to make sure your supply demand arrays with OTE? Yeah, kind of. It's kind of that, and just, yeah, trying to make sure I don't get in too close to, like, I don't long too close to the top of the move or short too close to the bottom. I mean, of course, there's it basically I try to remove a little bit of the guesswork. Like, if you have a move like this, right? If you have a move like this, right, and you're trying to get involved, on a long, and it's like there could be a few different FEGs here every time. Okay. You know, and then you introduce things like breakers. You have breakers, and then you got, like, let's say you have, like, I don't know, order blocks even, you know? So it's like there's usually a few POIs to play with. So I guess OT just gives me, anyway, a hand trying to pick the right one. And of course, so, you know, it's educated guesswork at best. I guess the idea being that you get the best or by picking those rather than going too high up the move or too low down the move. Because Dixie, like, the whole idea, like, with liquidity, my understanding of liquidity, right? Well, I think it's, I don't think it's just my understanding. You're trying to force market participants out of their positions by running likely areas where those stop losses are, right? So you get stopped, it creates liquidity to fill shorts for bigger players, and then only then goes in your direction, right? So it's like, but no one's trading Dixie. That Dixie doesn't move because of market participants getting forced out of their positions. It moves because of the dollar. Is I don't know. I feel like I'm explaining myself badly. Just buy high and sell low, exactly. ICT changed your life for the better. White Wolf, do you like ICT or not? I can't. I think you need to get off the fence, buddy. Tell us how you really feel. Just die. I might close this even earlier. $1.1 or trade. $150. Lol. I'm actually shorting 125x. 125x or go home. Okay, we're out. We're out. That's fine. It is what it is. I think, yeah. Nice initial move, but, no follow through. As it immediately drops. What? No, don't do this. Really? More of the same. Looking for setups that, well, we might take one or two of them. So yeah, take it easy, guys. See you around Discord, see you around Twitter, all the good stuff. And yeah, go follow me on YouTube because stream highlights will be up there.